Morning students, and I welcome you to my video lectures on signals and systems. And as you know that I was working out problems on finding energy and power. Today I will conclude problems on finding energy and power by solving two more problems. At the end of the chapter I will give exercise problems for which I will give solution also. Now categorize the signal as energy or power. X of t equal to 5 cos pi t from -1 to 1 and 0 otherwise. Now this is the problem. First let us go for energy. So let us go for energy. So energy calculation, as you know, it involves E is equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity x of t whole square dc. And in this case it is real, xt is real, there is no complex variable. Minus infinity to plus infinity x of t square dt. So this is energy formula. And in this problem function is defined only between -1 to 1. Therefore energy calculation is restricted only to this range from -1 to +1, and x of t square, that is 5 cos pi t whole square dt equals -1 to 1 25 cos square pi t dt. Cos square pi t. Now there is a cosine square cos square pi t dt. So from trigonometry I will make use of this result. Cos square theta is equal to half of 1 plus cos 2 theta. This is the relationship from basic trigonometry. Cos square theta is equal to half of 1 plus cos 2 theta. In accordance with this, I will modify this. On modifying this, I will get half of 1 plus cos 2 theta. Half of 1 plus cos 2 theta. That is cos 2 pi t. Cos 2 pi t dt. That is 2 pi by 25 by 2. 25 by 2 integral -1 to 1 dt plus cos 2 pi t dt from -1 to +1. Next, undoing integration, we get 25 by 2 t between -1 and 1. Next, integration of cos theta is 1 by 2 pi. I will remind diploma students, integral cos ax dx equal to integral cos ax dx equal to 1 by a sin ax. So based on this, 1 by 2 pi sin 2 pi t between -1 and 1. Between -1 and 1. Next step is 25 by 2. So 1 substituting upper and lower limits, 1 minus of -1 plus 1 by 2 pi 1 sin 2 pi minus sine 2 pi minus 1. Sine 2 pi minus 1. We get 25 by 2. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 by 2 pi sine 2 pi, sine 2 pi, sine 360 degrees, 0, minus, and sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Then it becomes plus sine 2 pi. Once again, sine 2 pi is 0. 0. Therefore, whole term is 0. Therefore, answer is 50 by 2 or 25. As we are getting energy, so no chance of getting power. You need not have to calculate power. So, hence it is energy signal. Now, I will go to next problem. Next problem. Now I am taking discrete signal problems. X of n equal to cos pi n in the range, in the interval -4 to +4. So if you find this symbol less than or equal to symbol, that means the boundary values are also included. -4 and 4 are included. So that makes the difference. And 0 otherwise. 0 otherwise. So before going into summation, first sketch the -4 and 4 are included. 0 otherwise. Now before going into summation, first sketch the function. Sketch the function by giving values to n in the range -4 and 4. First -4. N equal to -4, then cos minus 4 pi, cos minus 4 pi, n equal to -3, n equal to -2, n equal to -1, 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4. So cos of, and you must be knowing that cos of minus theta equals cos theta. Cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. Next. Now before going into summation, let us sketch the function. Cos pi n, give values to n from -4 to +4. And you know that cos of minus theta equals cos theta. First, -4, giving n equal to -4. So, even multiples of pi, cosine of that is 1. Therefore, its value is 1. Next, n equal to -3. N equal to -3, odd multiple of pi. Odd multiple of pi is -1. Therefore, it is -1. Next, -2. Again, as usual, like -4, for -2 also it is 1. It is 1. Next, for -1, again it is -1. Because this is a periodic function. Cos pi n is periodic function. That is why the value alternates. Next, cos 0, 1. Next, cos 1 pi. Cos 1 pi -1, cos 2 pi 1, cos 3 pi -1, and then 4. Now sketch, or you in the form of sequence you represent x of n. Now 0 otherwise, and if you sketch x of n, it is first 0, it is 1. For 0 it is 1. For 0 it is 1. Next for 1 it is -1. Next for n equal to 2 it is 1. 1. N equal to 3 -1. N equal to 4 it is 1. And 0 otherwise. 0 otherwise. Coming to this side. -1, -2, -3, -4. -1 it is -1. Next -2 it is 1. -3 it is -1. Next 4 -4 it is 1 and 0 otherwise. See, this sketching is correct, and you remember that cosine function is an even function, and this part exactly overlaps with this. So even function, it is an even function, hence it is correct. Now you find energy. Energy E is equal to summation -4 to +4 x of n whole square equals x of n square. Squaring here 1 square. Next plus -1 square. Next plus 1 square plus -1 square plus 1 square plus -1 square plus 1 square plus -1 square plus 1 square. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals 1 plus 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 1 equals 9 joules. So this is how we find energy. So it is energy signal. So no point in calculating power. So you need not have to calculate power. An energy signal cannot become a power signal. So answer is 9 joules. So with this we have come to the end of this session, and in the next class I will continue with operations performed on signals. Thank you.